Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Battle Cry of Freedom on guitar. To begin, let's focus on the core chords. You'll primarily need just 3 open chords: G major, C major, and D major. Make sure your guitar is tuned to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. Practice transitioning smoothly between these 3 chords, ensuring each note rings out clearly. This foundational step is crucial for building your rhythm and confidence. Next, let's establish a solid strumming pattern and rhythm. A versatile pattern for this song is down, down, up, up, down, up. Try to keep a consistent tempo, aiming for around 120 beats per minute. Focus on using your wrist for a relaxed and fluid strumming motion rather than your whole arm. This will help you maintain endurance and a steady beat throughout the entire song. Understanding the song's structure will greatly assist your playing. The verses generally follow a straightforward G-C-G-D chord progression. For the chorus, you'll often find a sequence like G-D-G-C-G-D-G. Pay close attention to the original recording to internalize these changes and feel the natural flow of the music. This will help you anticipate chord shifts and play more confidently. To truly master Battle Cry of Freedom, consistent and smart practice is key. Begin by practicing at a very slow tempo, ensuring each chord change is clean, then gradually increase your speed. A metronome is an invaluable tool for developing precise timing and rhythm. Finally, play along with the original recording to refine your feel, dynamics, and overall musicality. Enjoy the process of learning this classic tune.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.